Check out this festival. Bulls running loose in the streets and people watching up close. Would you have the courage to stay that close? Just imagine, you're riding your motorcycle in the middle of the night, and suddenly you come face to face with a lion roaming the streets. Gives you chills, right? So, to protect your dog, would you take on a boxing match with a kangaroo?
Let it go, Tonks, let's go. The other dog's coming.
Watch out! You're about to witness an overload of cuteness.
Oh.
Dadgummit!
Better watch out. Never turn your back on a feline. It could catch you off guard. Watching gorillas through the glass seems calm until you see the strength they've got.
Oh, man. Whoa. Never show fear.
He doesn't like dinosaurs. Wait, yes, he does. Oh!
Check this out. Another cuteness attack. Now it's an elephant surprising the reporter.
And provide a home.
It's okay, he's just playing.
Here we go again. The attack happens live, right in front of the cameras.
Meanwhile, other livestock owners.
Just imagine getting whipped by an octopus. Can you believe that?
Oh, okay. I confirm that doesn't actually break the skin.
Just keep going.
Yeah.
Yeah, and a male, when older is the male, bigger forehead they have. Yeah. What happens in lions?
You're okay. You're okay.
Oh, merda. Não, stay. Stay fermo, stay fermo.
On national TV, they become completely unstoppable. Nothing like an incentive like this to get you swimming.
Animal person. A bird whisperer. He's gonna be my friend.
All right. Get him. How's your knee? I'm not helping him.
The big problem they've got is with names. They're called the...
Stop. Stop. Ouch. Stop. Stop. Hey! Ouch! Stop.
I think he likes it.
Mama. It's looking for its mama. Yeah, no, don't be.
And they strike again, this time live on national TV.
Not in the Metroplex area. Get this thing off me, man. Get this thing off me, man. God dang. What is this thing jumping at me for, man? He likes you. Yeah, I can tell, man. All right, let's try to get back under control. You didn't tell me the thing jumped. Well, God dang.
Could you stay that calm? And this dog that ran onto a soccer match in Brazil, just wanting to play? How cute is that?
Não quer atacar, ele quer brincar.
Tava brincando.
A impressão que eu tenho é igual a impressão que ele tinha saído pra brincadeira.
Chamou pra brincadeira, o joguinho acabou.
Oh my God. Josh. Oh my God.
Shoo him off. Say, get.
Dave! Dave! Dave!
Here we witness the enemy of exercise and leisure, the #1 foe of bicycles. Watch out when riding near it. Be very careful when hiking. You never know what might show up.
No! Go away! Go away! Please go away! No, go away! Go away! No! No!
Pero bata, y fíjate a qué boca la pego 2 veces ya.
I know. You're supposed to lock the door.
Brace yourself. This is a pretty serious attack. It's intense. I don't know if this man will pull through.
He didn't seem mad about that. Jack, this way. Up the hill.
Check out that security guard. He's gonna get one heck of a surprise when the intruder shows up.
He likes you too much.
Yeah!
Hey Alfonso, can we see some more cat videos?
Let go, Mason!
Choosing which horse to ride. There can be jealousy between them.
Get. Get.
And here, it's very clear.
Oh, Sue, I'm going to have to get off. Go. Shall I canter?
I know. I know. Oh,
Don't get out.
what? No. No.
No.
What's he coming?
Ah! Tiger shark! Tiger shark ran me.
Mom, it's pretty. Let go. Let go.
You better get that. Whoa.
You can't even fish in peace anymore. Just look at what happens.
Look at me, John.
Oh my God! That's a big gator, buddy. That is a big.
We're gonna show the camera our elf costume. You ready to say cheese? Are you ready? Look, here we go.
Oh,
Here we see the exact moment when a whale accidentally almost swallowed a person in their boat.
Don't set your foot down because it'll get wet, but pull your boot out of his mouth.
I did one of the little ones, or is it the big one?
No.
did it bite you?
Turn lights on, Megan.
Why are you so scared?